Hello, in front of me I've got Arzopa S1 Table. In this video I'll show you how to connect your portable monitor to other devices than laptops or PCs. If you want to connect your portable monitor to other devices like Xiaomi TV, PlayStation or Amazon Fire Stick, firstly use HDMI to HDMI mini cable and connect both devices to each other. Next, use this USB-A to USB-C cable and connect the portable monitor to charger for additional power supply. And that's basically it. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.